one thing you want to do is, if you want to really grasp the idea of what we do, is so plain. Okay, you go on the Telegram channel, okay, the general Telegram channel, and you search the pinned post. You're going to see resources. And in those resources, you're going to see our strategy for FFX. Okay, you just go step by step. We have 5 things we look at before we get into the market. Just follow those 5 steps. All right. If you follow those 5, it's as simple as copy and paste. Begin to test out your own, trades on your own. But on the live session, you don't need to do that. All you need to do is, when I call the trades, you take, follow a risk management regime. Okay. All right. Follow a risk plan. It means if you're taking a trade, you should know the risk you already want to risk in a day, okay, and you break that into trades. So averagely, how many trades do we find in a day? Okay, we look at between 2 and 3 to 4 trades, averagely. It means if it is 4 trades and you have a risk of 2% for the day or 3% for the day, you divide that into what? 3. So apparently it means one trade you probably be using whatsoever. When you divide your risk, that's what you'll be using for one trade. So let's say you're risking 4% or 5% per trade, okay, or per session. It means per trade you can actually use 1%, okay, because we don't actually see up to 5 trades except you're doubling positions. But what I naturally use for myself is I tend to use, so I have a plan, and I'll quickly just show that plan. Let me see if I can pull it up. Just a moment. Let me just show you guys as we guys the okay. Okay, so let me just show you guys. You guys can copy it. Have I sent it to the group? I think I've sent it to, there was a time I sent it. Let me see. I will find a way to, no, this is not it. Okay, yeah, this is it. Okay. I will find a way to send it in the group, and you guys can copy it. This is the editable one, right? Yeah, this is the editable one. Just a moment. Give me a moment. Let me. This one is the same with this one, just different. This is the same. Okay, this one, let me see this one. Okay, so this is the one I've been using. So they are the same. So guys, what I'll just do right now, let me see if I can share it to Telegram. Invite people, copy link. No, this is not how I can share it. Let me see here. So I want to be able to give you guys share to Telegram. Yeah, Telegram is here. So I'm going to drop it on the general group right now and the trading group, and that will be it. So you guys have it. So good. So you guys have it. I've shared it there. So let me just show you guys what you do. So put an amount you want to trade. So let's say you're starting with $1,000. Okay, you put $1,000. You can tell yourself a plan. So this is a risk plan, 2% per trade. Okay, and it means if I'm risking 2% per trade, I'm using $20. You tell yourself how many percent you want to make on the session. Okay, example 5 to 8%. So let's say you want to do 3% per session. It means, okay, session profit is $30. All right. If you're trading 2 trades, $20, okay, 2 trades for $20 would have given you $30 and you're done. Okay. You're done. Does that make sense? So it automatically you tell yourself, so this is the end balance and this is your stop. It means if you lose the amount, 3%, you're done. So this is kind of like a plan you guys can follow. All right, to trade. Does that make sense? Okay. Did I shift this? Okay. Whoa. JPY dropped. So we're gonna get into the market right now. Let's trade. So let's see what we can trade on. I think we can trade on. I was actually looking at USDJPY. Yeah, okay, but I tend to tilt towards the London pairs, but let me see if anyone is goodly available. So Euro JPY might be good. Have you finished? Finish loading. So I'm going to be looking at one card you're dropping. Card, why are you dropping? Euro is not. Okay, Euro USD. Let's see how that looks. Probably selling Euro USD. So Euro USD, 5 minutes is bearish, 15 minutes is bearish, which is good. If we get another bearish, it's amazingly good. Oh, 1 hour is bullish. Daily, are you bullish? Okay, daily is bearish. So apparently we can actually sell this market. Let me just set it up. Let's see where we're gonna get in. So I'll set it up, then I'll find another pair. I normally put 2 pairs in consideration for trades. For us, the bullish. Let's see what you got. You see what I'm just doing is just picking the opening and the closing of every candle that I take. Okay, there's data in the opening and closing of that every candle. There is volume. And I like to color it a different color so that I know which is my daily, which is my hourly. What pair is this? This is Euro CHF. This guy looks fine in a very beautiful place, but focus. Okay. So the places that might likely be good for a sell, if this market breaks this area, comes into this area, that's going to be good for a sell. But if it's going back from here right now, I think I'm going to sell this area. If the market is in a place of consolidation, so there might not really be activity. The markets need to tell its language before it needs to make a move. Okay, so somewhere around here, if the market still extends down, will be good for a sell. But ultimately, if we catch here around timing, we're going to sell because why? I need this market, this plot to actually get here. Okay. So I'm going to be looking at the 366 area tentatively, but I'm not sure it's going to be ready. But if it does, that's where I'm going to be looking at. But I do know this area is going to be ready for a sell for 5 minutes. Every trade that I call, okay, I tend to take them for 5 minutes. All right. So now that I have Euro USD, let me go look at something else. Okay, so the absence of a London pair, I would have to switch to USD JPY. Let me go see USD JPY. This guy. I think it has attempted an area that is quite, oh boy. This guy just touched. This would have been a very credible area for a buy. He touched it. He touched it. What's the time right now? So he touched it, 15 minutes, closed well. And it's pulling back. Come on. Isn't this a good battle? USD JPY. Guys, if it comes to this area, I'm going to buy this area. If I where it is right now, it's good for a buy, but 632 is good. I'm going to pick 632 USD JPY. USD JPY. In fact, let me take an entry where it is right now. You can get in now, all right? But it's 3 minutes. It means you're taking this trade, it's 3 minutes. If it doesn't go away, we'll roll. I think something is happening with JPY anyway. That guy's dumping. Pa. Okay, I think I'm going to see how this candle closes. I'm already in one position, but you can actually wait for the close of the candle. Where it is right now is fine, but something is happening. Let's see. Come on. This guy is bearish mode. Except JPY just want to over. Let's see, are you coming up? You're not in, you can actually take a trade where it is. See that we win it or we battled it. But I feel this area, even if it's not doing for So if it's not doing this area, we're gonna wait for 486. So you guys, for those of you that like being patient, all right, 486 is gonna be the next area for my buy on USD JPY. So let's see how this guy is gonna play out. If you got in, let me know you got in. All right, I think I got in. Low, I picked this lower entry as well. We got how many minutes to the close of the candle? I'm gonna roll over that first. What's that? Sheesh. I couldn't roll. Sheesh. I was pressing duplicate instead of roll. Sheesh. That's fine. If you got in, let me know. Okay, at least we got. I wasn't able to put that roll in. I'm only going to close one position. One position is going to be. I lost one. I couldn't roll the other one. The one I took under, I cleared it. I know if I had rolled, I probably would have had an option on the trade. So how many of you took an area? Let me know in the chat. If you do, let me know. I'm also looking at Euro USD. Euro USD is not bad in its move. If it comes to this area, I'll probably be looking at it for a sell. Okay. You're in, you didn't close. Okay, you guys were able to do a roll. I have to take a fresh entry. You're patiently waiting to come down, sir. Okay, I'm trying to understand. I knew if I had a role, I would have had an option, but I was pressing duplicate instead of a row. That's GBP AUD. And then beautiful Blepo. As in, I couldn't catch my rolls. A little bit painful though, but I had to take another entry. So you see this move here? This move right here is actually a sweep of liquidity. This market breaks above this area, it's going to be a continuation on the upside. I called this area, that was one of the trades I called in Forex that actually taking us out. It was quite a short move. And it's going down. I'm going to be looking for other position, trying to see how the market looks like right now. Okay. All right. GBP AUD, you sounded. You sounded. You sounded. You sounded. You sounded. You sounded. GBP not ready. AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD. Okay, this wouldn't be bad. Okay, let's focus on this. All right, so this is gonna be good. We're gonna be clearing this. Okay, so how many of you are about to clear right now? So two positions. That's good. At least he gave all the positions. So even if the one I called got lower, and if it actually came here again, probably had another position, but this was good. Okay, this was good. And I think over the next 15 minutes again, it's still gonna be buying. You guys see that I didn't actually even need to draw this chart. I didn't chart it. Okay. I just traded it based on instinct. And that's best. How many positions did you guys get in? Let me know in the chat. That's actually a beautiful one. If you rolled over, that is almost double the position. That's 40% added. And in 8 seconds, this is going to be ringing a bell, and I recovered. That's some profit there now. Good. Cleared both entry. Beautiful. You guys talk to me on the chat. If you made money, put money on the chat. Let's see. So now I'm going to look at it differently. All right, let's see. Wow, this guy ought to, the truth is this guy ought to buy. This guy ought to buy like crazy buy. What he's just doing is being stubborn. Over the course of the day, he may buy. But if it breaks below this area, it's going to have a deep sell. Okay, how that's going to play out. Let's just watch. Oh, 4 hour has a very bearish sensation. I get it. I get it now. Battle of plane. Wow. 4 hour is bearish, 1 hour is bearish. And there's some equilibrium struggle here. Take it easy on me. This market is a place. It's a place. That's a place. Is it coming back down? Is it coming back down? I think it's coming back down. You see, this was the 15-minute area we touched off right now. Market should be buying here, ladies and gentlemen. If it's not buying here, it's gonna come here. But this market should be buying there. This area ought to respect. But if it's not, what's the time? 27. Sheesh, should we pick another entry when it comes down? Okay, let's also watch out for USD JPY, Euro USD, USD JPY. Probably we'll have another entry on that one. Let's prepare. Let's prepare. Oh, you're going back down. Kilo day, kilo day, kilo day, kilo day, kilo day. You guys, you know what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to take this trade for 15 minutes. All right, that's what my mind is telling me to do. I'm going to take it for 15 minutes to close at 45. Okay, I'm in there right now, 15 minutes. Because I feel in the next 15 minutes, this guy should be pulling up. Okay, if you want to take it for 5 minutes, also that's good. But I just invested a 15-minute run on this one. This guy should buy. But I wanted it to come down a little bit. Okay. At least if it could push down to this level or this level, we're gonna have fine trades. At least good enough to struggle with. Sometimes you just wish, oh, this 15 minutes is just 5 minutes. I think I'm gonna take a 5 minute. I perceive the trade is still gonna come down, but the trade is in an area right now trying to make a fine decision on the upside. So at the close of this candle right now in 12 seconds, I am going to risk a lower entry for the close. Okay. I mean, let's see what you got. That's not my finest entry, but I'm just taking the close of the candle anyway. If you took it with me, you can actually let me know in the chat. Is it a risky one? Absolutely, yes, my friends. It's a risky one because why? It's in the middle. Okay, I'm trading it at the middle. Okay, it's supposed to come to base for good entries, but I just feel like, let's see, I close. And so if you didn't get in, it shouldn't be a bad time. So 625. going to pick it. Yeah, I didn't pick it. I didn't pick it. I wanted to pick 625. Come on. I would have picked 625. You guys let me know what area you got in on the chat. The battle zone, right? JPY is not really a threat. JPY is still flat. USD is still in this beautiful zone strength. None of you got in? So we're in our final 2 minutes for the 5 minutes entry. I hope you don't take a roll away from me again, okay? Well, the last one, you didn't take it. I was just pressing something different. So we're moving into the final minute. You better hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Come on, don't be stubborn. Sheesh. This guy came low below my entry. Sheesh. Come on, this guy swept me. That was close. So he swept my 5 minutes. I didn't get my 5 minutes. Sheesh. USDJP, why I doubt do that to me? So I'm in on my 15 minutes. Sheesh. I don't like it. Why are you doing this to me? So the first one is you took my, I couldn't do a roll, and now I had the opportunity. You didn't give me a roll. Okay, let's see, 35. Let's see if you want to be messing around. How many of you are in on this trade? In at 625, man, that was a good entry. Yeah. It's really struggling with this equilibrium. And I'm just going to look at between now and the next timing. Since it's struggling with this area, it may want to, all right, tend to flush the lower areas. But you can hold your position as tight as you can. Roll if you need to roll. Let's also watch out for the next timing on Euro USD. So Euro USD coming to this area is three something is going to be good. Cleared, beautiful. All right. So I'm the one remaining. For that 15 minutes, let's see how it goes. So that was a beautifully cleared position. So Euro USD, let's watch out for Euro USD. I think it may want to come to this area, 363. It's going to be a good position. Guys running away, which is fine. So that's helping my USD JPY. So how many of you're still in or you've closed? Put how many trades you closed right now. Put how many trades you closed, if you've closed. None of you is talking. Come on. Why is this room looking cool this morning? Got 3 more minutes to timing. This trade is playing on my intelligence again. It's back at entry. Hold on. Mm. So guys, we got 2 more minutes to timing. If you want to pick the 625 again or the lower area, that's fine. But just kindly wait for the close of the candle. We still have lower areas. Okay, it's coming to the lower areas, man. USD JPY. What you looking at? Okay. All right. So I'm watching 2 trades at the moment. Euro USD is pulling up, which is showing good momentum. Ouch. So if Euro USD closes here, it's going to be partial. It may not be a bad one. But I think this is where I'm looking at. So yeah, the JPY is good at the floor now. If you want to be in, not bad. This guy's really, really tricky anyway. Yeah. So final entry. If he wants to go down, fine. If he doesn't want to, I think this would be my battleground. This guy still looks like he still want to go down. If you got in, let me know if you're in the same battle with me. Let's see the nature of this. This guy was, last time I checked, was 77, I 72. US is still in the crown. I don't see US drop. Yes, they haven't really dropped. So this trade should be, it's supposed to be a good trade. Hmm. Thanks so much. I'm still practicing with demo clear 3 trades already. Okay, beautiful. So we are in our final run. Hopefully this is the move out. USD don't add confused. Let's go. Final 60 seconds. So how many of you are in? How many of you are in? How many of you are in? Quite a good weight. All right. All right. That's quite a good weight. Cleared UJ at 610. Beautiful. Beautiful. We are all going to clear quite a good weight. The lower positions were good. And that is going to be 7, 6, 5, 4. That's quite a good weight and made the move. Okay. So boom. Okay, so we're good. We're good with that one. My 15-minute position was taken away from me, but apparently closed because I couldn't do a roll. Okay. So yeah, so I had reckless entry. My first entry, I couldn't do a roll clear. But those who waited below, boom. All right. So the areas are actually, called actually played out. Put your score on the chat. Let's see what you guys are. Put your score on the chat. We made money this morning, quite some good position. Euro USD didn't really. So I said, if you want to take this area, how many of you took you risk your Euro USD? Okay, so I said if it closed around this area, though it didn't really close, okay, but dropped down. It really dropped down. So, but that was a good one. I'm still gonna wait in the course of the day, not now. 4-0, beautiful. You guys smashed it. All right. Okay, so I need you guys to do something right now. Just made money on our money mini session. Go tap it on the Telegram channel. Okay, let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. Okay, keep the energy always high. We're gonna be here by 2 p.m. again. But meanwhile, I'm gonna be looking at what am I gonna be trading again. So I called CAD JPY. That guy erupted. I'm looking at this market actually going up to this area over the course before the New York session. Okay. So I'm going to wait for another position. I feel positive that this market is going to pull up. It's going to pull up. So I may be calling in another position for a buy. Just wait for it. Let's see what's happening with Euro USD. Not ready. GBP AUD. GBP AUD. These guys are not ready. Gold. Okay, the only thing that has paid me today is US 30. German 30, you slashed me. Okay. So guys, I am going to be looking at what I'll call during the New York session. So you guys, nobody should miss the New York session today, which is 2 p.m. Let me see. I think we're going to be selling this guy. Let's see. I think I'm going to be selling AUD USD. Okay, this AUD JPY. Oh. Where is AUD USD? Oh, it's not ready. Sheesh. It's not ready. If you guys have any question, you can ask. We still have 7 minutes. Okay, GBP. We still have 7 minutes. If you have any question, you can ask. We have opportunities every day of making money. We just made money on this session. Though me, I was break even. I didn't make my money. All right, I was break even because I had 2 positions that I lost. Then I had 3 positions that I won. So that is actually in money, in respect to money, it's a break even for me. Okay, am I correct? I lost. Okay, so I won 3 positions. Okay, 3-3. Is it 3-3? 28, 28, 28. Okay, I won 4 positions and I lost 3 positions. Yeah. So that's a break. I do know it's a break even. And then I knew my starting capital. None of you is asking a question. It means you guys are just come, eat, and go. That's fine. Okay. Have you guys typed on the Telegram channel? Do that. It's quite our responsibility. Let's make sure we're doing that. Let me see if you guys did. Okay. We just made money. Someone will be like, I didn't earn. We are we. I didn't say I just made money. It means the session, we just had a beautiful earn session and we just did. And all you can do is contribute your energy. If you cannot learn to testify when you're not benefiting, okay, you're not going to benefit to testify. All right. So learn to share. We just made money on the session. Go share it right now. And you guys make sure you use this trading sheet that I gave to you guys. It's going to help you take your trading to the next level. Where am I? So this is AUD USD. What's the time right now? This is 9:55. I think I'm going to be looking at selling this guy. There's a position. Okay. If this guy closes below this area, I think I'm going to be selling. If he closes below, okay, I'm going to be selling this guy. So you guys watch out for this. And this is going to be a 1-to-2 ratio, I guess, almost 1 to 2.5. If it closes below, this present candle closes below, but if it doesn't, I'm going to wait for it. There's liquidity here. There's no liquidity. It means if it closes below, it's going to come take away all of this liquidity. So I'm going to take 1-to-1 TP1, 1-to-2 TP2. That's it. 1 to 2.5 TP2. So I think I'm pretty positive about this guy. Yeah, that Euro USD is the same, I believe, is the same structure with Euro USD. Have I opened GBP USD? The GBP USD, man. GBP USD still have a promise on the lower side liquidity. Oh, holy. Okay, I'm 15 minutes in. It's the daily that this guy is struggling with. I believe the market breaks below this daily, it's going to sell. I do know this market is going to sell. Okay. It's just struggling. I could literally sell this market now, but I want to be patient. I know it's gonna sell. So Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD is about to. So Euro USD looks good. Where's this? Let's see. Where is the order? All right. I said 20 pips, 21 pips. There's a daily area here right now. I think I got this daily, right? Yeah, it's a daily flow. Means it's gonna be, which means there's gonna be a struggle there. From where it is right now to that floor, how many pips? Let's see if we can battle TP1 from there. That is 15 hash. It's definitely gonna get there. Actually. Oh boy, I know it's gonna get there. It's a risky one, but it may get there, break there because this liquidity, there's stronger liquidity here. Euro USD. It looks good. It's just that the reason I'm not calling this trade now is because of the fact that it's no more in 1-to-1 ratio. It's a less than a 1-to-1 ratio. It means 15 pips you are out of the trade. Okay, it means TP1 you take this, all right, 1.04110. I think I'm gonna risk that. Okay, let's see. So TP is it's a 14 pips. SL 1.0447. So if you want to reach the trade, you can. But I'll still probably be looking for. So this is one of my risky one I'm taking again. So also put it below this liquidity, which is 0.396. Let's see how that plays out. Okay. So guys, that is going to be my time, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So I just gave you guys a clue of what I'm taking. I probably wouldn't drop it on the chat because it's a little bit not my 1-to-1 ratio. But since you're here live with me, you can actually hop in on that one if you feel like. If you have any questions, just shoot the question on the chat. But that's about my time. God bless you guys.